Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Xbox error code 0x8027025a. So basically there's a couple of reasons on why this error is happening on your console, and we have multiple ways in order to fix this. We are currently on the official support page of Xbox on how we can simply fix the problem, and basically this means that there's a temporary problem with the Xbox service. The application did not load in time expected, and there's a sign-in issue with your profile. And so the first thing that we want to do is to go ahead and make sure that the Xbox servers or services is working properly. So you can just navigate through this website called Support Xbox Live Status. From here, you want to make sure that everything is up and running, as we can see right here. So there is no correlation with this first error, so we then have to navigate through the second one, which is the application did not load in the time expected. Now, if that is the case, the only thing that you need to do is to simply start the application once again, and from there you just want to keep retrying until the problem is fixed. If not, you then want to uninstall the application and download it back in, because there might be a corrupted file or data installed within the application. That's why the problem is appearing. Now, the last thing that you want to do is to go ahead and restart your console, because there might be a sign-in issue with your profile. So just restart your console or your internet, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.